In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new report in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll feel confident building a clean, customized report that shows exactly the information you care about. Start by heading to the Reports section on the left sidebar. This is your command center for anything reporting related. In the top right corner, look for the Create New Report button and click it. You'll see options to choose a report type. These are great if you already know the format you want. For demonstration though, we'll start with a blank report so you can see how to build one from scratch and keep full control over what appears. Next, QuickBooks gives you two ways to begin: the Report Creation Wizard or Adding Data Columns. For this walkthrough, select Adding Data Columns. As soon as you choose that, a panel opens on the right side. This is where the building really happens. You'll see column categories. Think along the lines of transaction details, dates, customers, vendors, products or services, amounts, and other common fields. Open a category, then check the boxes for the columns you want to include. As you check a box, that column appears in your report. If something doesn't look right, simply uncheck it and it disappears. Take your time here. Start with the essentials and add only what supports the story you're trying to tell. Fewer, well-chosen columns can make your report clearer and easier to read. Once you've added your columns, switch to the Reorder tab to shape the layout. Drag columns left or right to decide what the viewer sees first. For example, you might place the date and customer near the front, followed by product or service, quantity, and amount. A thoughtful order makes it easier to scan and compare rows. If you make a change and don't love it, just drag things back. Nothing is permanent until you save. As you refine, keep an eye on the report preview so you can confirm the structure makes sense. If a column feels redundant or clutters the view, remove it. If you're missing a key detail, return to the categories and add it. The goal is a report that answers your question at a glance. When you're happy with the layout and column choices, click Save at the top right. That locks in your customizations so you can reuse the report without rebuilding it. And that's it. You've created a new report in QuickBooks from a blank canvas, added the right data, arranged it logically, and saved it for future use.